Every other Wednesday, you'll find Dr. Dixon online with about 100, 150 docs from all over the Caribbean, not just Jamaica, but Haiti, the DR, and many other countries. What's remarkable about this is nobody's watching. This is just Dr. Dixon, often with a couple residents, a couple fellows, but it's really him leading the charge, and I just consider myself lucky to call Dr. Dixon a colleague and a friend.
So I thank you, JAHJAH Foundations, for taking myself and my husband and allowing us to help you with your endeavors.
After 27 years on Wall Street and 2 construction companies, I thought retirement was slowing down. Instead, I found new purpose, serving alongside her. Together, volunteering has been one of our greatest blessings.
I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the JAHJAH Foundation for this award. It's a testimony and the effort and collaboration, and I will continue to work to meet the standards that it represents.
My famous saying is, no man is an island and no man stands alone. I'm thankful to my parents and the community of people who have helped to raise me into the person I am today. It is truly a blessing to give unto others or lending a helping hand without ever second guessing it. I hope that in this life, I can continue to be an example to my children as I teach them the importance of helping others whenever they can. In the words of my husband, some want the money, I say a gateway.
If you're not real, I'm not with you. You know, I realize that this JAHJAH Foundation is a real deal. What they say they're going to do, they did it and more. And as a result of that, you know, I'm 100% in supporting this JAHJAH Foundation. And I got stuck in Jamaica a few weeks ago in the hurricane. Guys, whatever pictures you see, multiply it by 10.
This year, more so, we appreciate all the great work that JAHJAH Foundation have done and continue to do for our underserved communities in Jamaica. With healthcare, of course, being the primary focus. Dr. Dixon, we truly appreciate you and the rest of the team. I would like to say a special thank you to our families and friends who always support the JAHJAH Foundation events.